What's up, guys? This is Brandon and Noah from Spec Services LLC. We got a brand new iFlight Nazgul V5, V2, V2, 3.4.5. But the most important thing today is we're taking this conformal coating and we're airbrushing it on the Vista, on the ESC, and making this drone waterproof. So come with us. Tell me what you think. All right, we got Luke here too now, I guess. They're all gonna be participating in stripping this thing down and probably losing all the parts. But it's all right. We're gonna have fun. Let's get to it. All right, let's cook's in the kitchen now. So we got it all apart. Time to prep the surfaces and get them ready for conformal coating. All right, guys, we got some rubbing alcohol, 90%. Wish I had 100%, but it is what it is. Here's a toothbrush. Clean off the boards of the goo. Well, it's very, very difficult to get all the thermal compound off the chips and inside the little circuits, but with some persistence, you could get it. Looks pretty good now. So I'm gonna clean all the boards again with rubbing alcohol, let them fully dry, and then pin them to some cardboard and airbrush them. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. We got the kids crying in the background, which is perfect. So I'm gonna remove all this thermal paste and save it. And all these little indents, I'm gonna drill a hole through. So if it does soak with water, it has a spot to drain. So I drilled holes through all of these, the lowest parts, to prevent water from staying in there if it does submerge. Kind of little drain holes. So let me clean these up, get the aluminum chunks off of it, and we'll set up the conformal coating airbrush. So I got everything cleaned up. All the boards, all the PCBs are drying. So it's very important when you're doing this to make sure all the plugs are covered in switches before you conformal coat it, so you don't lose connection or plug anything up with the conformal coating. So right now I'm taping off the antenna. I'm going to install a USB-C. I plugged the Vista in the opposite way so it could lay out. I put a piece of tape over the reset button, and I'll be taping these off here. So when I'm done, you'll see I'll have them all attached to a board like this. I'll mask all this off to only hit this, but yep, I have this taped off. Everything that you could get conformal coating in and possibly ruin a connection needs to be completely sealed off. So, all right, it's all done. Everything taped off, plugged in, ready to spray. Let's do it to it. We got the air compressor going here in the laundry room. We're about to send it. Nice. I'm here in the laundry room. Make sure you're away from people and you have a ventilated area, obviously, so you don't get super high. Unless you're looking into that type of stuff, so. Yeah, it's so simple. That's about it. I think it's all she wrote, boys. Get that one more. That one. That's it. Now clean your airbrush real good. I'm gonna use some brake cleaner. All right, guys, day 2. It's done. Check it out. Look at that. Look at the sheen. All coated. Look at that. So I'm gonna flip it, spray the other side, put it together. Stay tuned. It's all conformal coated. Let's put this thing together. It's my favorite part. Let's get right into it. Finish this build up. Pumped. So I made new camera holders so I could put the better camera in the DJI unit. So this thing's about done. About to do a test here real soon. Successful test flight. All I'm gonna do now is plug it in to Betaflight and into the DJI Assistant. Make sure I didn't lose any connections. Connected to Betaflight, good. All right, guys, it connected to the Assistant. Mission complete. Guys, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. If you want my services, I could offer this waterproofing service. If not, just get the things I did and you got it. Peace. Happy flying.